Guys, today we are going to discuss about the UPSC CSC means essay writing. Actually, as I'm, I hope you are knowing that UPSC mains has an essay paper and compulsory papers and 4 GS and 2 optional papers. So, in the mains, while securing the marks, actually, essay and optional paper becomes very crucial aspect of your mains. And nowadays, the trend in UPSC essay, the way of asking question has been what in the year 2015 14 it was like to ask has now changed, like an unconventional way of essays they are asking. Basically, essay consists of 250 marks, 125 each, and you will be given the 8 essay to write. Here you can see the 2022 mains question paper, and here we can see the essays. The paper is divided into two sections, section A and section B. In the section A, you will be provided 4 essays, and in section B also you will be provided with 4 essays. Total number of essays given will be 8 essays, and you have to pick one essay among the 4 from the each section. Like from the section A, you have to choose essay number 1 or essay number 2 or essay number 3 or essay number 4. Likewise, in section B, you have to choose 5 or 6 or 7 or 8. Like you have to choose and write. Then you have to write the essay in the first aspect. Here comes the medium. If you are opting for the English medium, you will be obviously writing in the English only. Then it comes to the other languages, like in the North Indian side, students usually will either English or they will write in the Hindi medium. So the students who are willing to write in their own languages, they can write. Students, I want to clarify that mains exams you can write in any languages provided by the UPSC. Maybe UPSC is permitting the scheduled languages in all scheduled languages, I am hoping, but I don't have the clear information regarding that. So you have to write the 2 essays. Like each essay carries 125 marks. Like in here you can see the section A, essay 1. Like I am going to read out the first essay from the section 1. The forest are the best case studies for economic excellence. The second essay is the poets are the unacknowledged legislature of the world. Third essay is history is a series of victories won by a scientific man over the romantic man. Fourth essay is ship in a harbor is safe, but that is not what ship is for. Like in section B, the fifth essay is the time to repair the roof is when the run is shining. Sixth essay is you cannot step twice in the same river. Seventh essay is a smile is the chosen vehicle for all ambiguities. Eighth essay is just because you have a choice, it does not mean that any of them has to be right. So after reading what it seems is like the conventional way of asking question, initial stage of discussion. At the initial stage of discussion, I have told about this thing. Like earlier, what UPSC is usually used to ask the question is, I will show you. Like here is the 2021. We will go back to the 20. Like we will pick the question paper from 2016. Here you can see the 2016 question paper. 2016. Like in section A, the question is like, if development is not endangered, it is endangered. Second question, need brings greed. If greed means it spoils breed. Like more or less the previous conventional way of asking question is like usually based on the GS topics. And like it might be sometimes economy, environment, forest, like international relation, interstate relations, likewise society. The theme used to be like that. But what has UPSC done doing in nowadays, especially after the 2021 onwards, the trend has changed. The UPSC started asking the four of the essays which are belongs to philosophical. The challenge is yes, GS essay anybody can write. I am hoping that like if we are studying so much of GS content for our mains and prelims examination, there will be enough content or examples to write the essay. When it comes to the philosophical essay, like here you can see fourth essay in section 1. Like a ship in a harbor is safe, but that is not what a ship is for. Like what you are going to write in the exam. If think like if you are not provided the four options, you are given the only two options in the section A. The one compulsory if they provided fourth question as a compulsory, and in section B also the fifth question if they are provided, you have to write both the 4 and 5 compulsory. What the usually students can write about these two topic. Like it is become very difficult when only when if we are not aware of the things, like how to write the philosophical essays, so it become difficult in the examination. So better to avoid this. You have to like practice enough number of essays before appearing in the mains examination. That is the usually the seniors or who wrote the mains or who gave the interview, they usually suggest that you have to write at least 25 to 30 essays before appearing in the mains examination. So let's if you can also like start writing like one essay per week. Like wise you can increase like one essay, two essays per week, you can write accordingly. So that is all about. And mm, so thank you.